Waters from Manasquan Inlet to Fenwick Island, Delaware, until 4 p.m. At 2:56 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Say Breeze to near Bowers Beach to 8 nautical miles west of Slaughter Beach to 15 nautical miles north of Bivalve, moving east at 65 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds. Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Atlantic City, 5 Fathoms Buoy, Buoy 2FB, Brown Shoal Light, Buoy 4FB, Buoy 3FB, Cape Henlopen, East Point, Deepwater Reef, Miami Light, Great Egg Reef, Brandywine Shoal Light, Ocean City Reef, Indian River Inlet Bridge, Overfalls Shoal, Level 28-mile wreck, Brigantine, Bethany Beach and Cross Ledge Light. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. Wind gusts in excess of 50 knots, small hail, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rain are possible with these storms. Here is the The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for coastal and outer waters from Sandy Hook to Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey, until 5:15 p.m. At 3:51 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 13 nautical miles west of Fort River, moving east at 50 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Ocean Gate, Ship Bottom, Barnegat Light Reef, Garden State South Reef, Axel Carlson Reef, Silverton, Harvey Cedars, Fort River, La Valette, Barnegat Light, North Beach Haven, Garden State North Reef, Seaside Park, and Pine Beach. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Here is waves higher in. Coastal and outer waters from Manasquan Inlet to Fenwick Island, Delaware, until 5 p.m. At 4 p.m., showers were located along a line extending from near Little Egg Reef to 6 nautical miles east of Atlantic City Reef to near Buoy 2FB to 9 nautical miles east of Indian River Inlet Bridge, moving east at 70 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include 28-mile wreck, 5 Fathoms Buoy, Buoy 2FB, Little Egg Reef, Atlantic City Reef, Buoy 4FB, Deepwater Reef and Garden State South Reef. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.
What was wrong with it?
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Newcastle County in northern Delaware, northeastern Kent County in northeastern Maryland, Cecil County in northeastern Maryland, northwestern Salem County in southern New Jersey, southwestern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southwestern Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 2:45 p.m. At 1:59 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Delta to Falston to Towson, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Rock Springs, Richardsmere, Conoingo, West Nottingham, and Octoraro around 2:10 p.m. Calvert, Rising Sunshine, Glenroy, and Farmington around 2:15 p.m. Havre de Delaware, Grace, Oxford, Lombard, Blake, Woodlawn, Zion, and Pleasant Hill around 2:20 p.m. Northeast, Charlestown, Batterton, Campbellsville, Glen Westover, Fair Hill, Bayview, Appleton, and Andorra around 2:25 p.m. Newark, North Star, Ladenburg, Pike Creek, and Cherry Hill around 2:30 p.m. Elkton, Ellesmere, Newport, Cecileton, Ashland, Greenville, Brentwood, Hockessin, Hollywood Beach, and Stanton around 2:35 p.m. Wilmington, Penns Grove, Arden, Tolleyville, Bohemia's Mills, St. George's, Coutts, Glasgow, Warwick, and Bear around 2:40 p.m. Middletown, Pennsville, Carneys Point, Newcastle, Salem, Delaware City, Mount Pleasant, Port Penn, Wilmington Manor, and Delaware Memorial Bridge around 2:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Townsend, Brookside, Perryville, Chesapeake City, Ardencroft, Port Deposit, Edgemere, Claymont, Bellefonte, and Ardentown. For your protection.
What are you doing? Vertical sign!
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Sussex County in southern Delaware, south central Newcastle County in northern Delaware, Kent County in central Delaware, southeastern Caroline County in eastern Maryland, southwestern Atlantic County in southern New Jersey, Cumberland County in southern New Jersey, Cape May County in southern New Jersey, until 3:45 p.m. At 2:44 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Clayton to near Sandtown to near Denton to Windy Hill, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Vineland, Atlantic City, Dover, Millville, Bridgeton, Ocean City, Georgetown, Cape May, Cumberland, Pleasantville, Summers Point, Ventnor City, Smyrna, Milford, Northfield, Absecon, Seaford, Margate City, North Wildwood, and Millsboro. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is a dangerous situation. These storms are producing widespread wind damage. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. This severe thunderstorm may contain little or no lightning. Do not wait until you hear thunder before taking cover. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. for the following counties in Delaware, Kent, Newcastle, and Sussex, and the following counties in New Jersey, Atlantic, Cape May, and Cumberland, and Caroline, Maryland.
The music fest.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Ocean County in southern New Jersey, East Central Burlington County in southern New Jersey, until 4:45 p.m. At 4 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Chatsworth, or 22 miles southwest of Toms River, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Toms River, Barnegat, Beechwood, Seaside Heights, Dover Beaches North, Holiday City South, Warren Grove, Chatsworth, Dover Beaches South, Holiday City Berkeley, Denver Lake, Cedar Glen Lakes, Whiting, Brookville, Pine Ridge at Crestwood, Old Halfway, Penn State Forest, Beach Haven West, South Toms River, and Island Heights. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This severe thunderstorm may contain little or no lightning. Do not wait until you hear thunder before taking cover. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Burlington and Ocean,